Charlie Soap. What is it? That's simple. Charlie Soap is safe, effective, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and biodegradable detergent that leaves nothing but the sweet smell of clean between your clothes and your skin. But Simple doesn't sell laundry and cleaning products.
What does sell?
I'll tell you. Testimonials and reviews. You know, lots of gold stars, listening to and engaging with our customers via email, social media, and at various events. And Charlie Soap gets your whites whiter, no color fading, and it's easy on delicates.
And even easier on your wallet. But wait, there's more. 0 phosphates.
That's good for the environment.
0 abrasives.
That's good for your clothes.
0 dyes.
That's good for your skin.
0 bleach. And completely rinses out, leaving 0 residue behind.
And that's just good all around.
Plus, as we said earlier, it's non-toxic and biodegradable. From our best-selling laundry powder and liquid to our stain-removing pre-spray, oxygen bleach, and booster to our kitchen and bath and indoor-outdoor cleaners. Live green. Deep clean.